Iphakama, as a fashion designer, I don't know anything about festivals.
Ne?
Nothing about festivals.
Zero.
Yeah, when I started understanding a bit of festivals, Nipagama, I'm learning and growing into it.
You are.
I mean, I normally used to host fashion shows. Fashion shows, you can say, bring me 50 countries here, I'll bring them.
You will do the things that must be done.
Fashion
the
shows. That's my thing. That's my daily brand. And then I remember Masenda, like Ngenda did a show with 25 countries. We closed the Brown Street.
Yes.
Sayisa na Sekasta Bridge. We had 25 countries for 2 weeks in
that's
Mpumalanga.
Talk about good
They even
initiative.
slept at military base.
Oh, seriously?
No, not really. It's like in the grace list I received around that time.
Everybody was welcoming
Notting
to it.
House, like accepted
Notting
some
House.
of them. Yeah, we actually had a lot of people that supported us.